Hello, Lou. If you were to choose a favorite video from the Unbox Therapy channel, what would it be? You know what? I don't get asked that question, but I get asked my favorite gadget, which is kind of probably like my favorite video. And I get asked that question a lot. Oh, man, that's hard. Favorite video. Can I say Jack reveal? Jack would love me to say Jack reveal. You see, this is, I wonder how it's aged, to be honest. But I mean, this is really not what they're asking, I guess, because this is so different from our typical videos. Yeah. So this is Jack. He's going up the stairs. Very creepy. Lights are already on. I think we might need a V2 revisit. I want to see a remix. Wow. The drama. You got to cut it here. We got to send people to go watch the actual thing.
All right.
The Jack reveal, that was fun. You know what else? What was the video, Will, where I was like, do I unbox the thing or don't I unbox it? Was that the iPhone 8? That was another video that was way different. And it looks like it's about to be a regular video. And then it's a whole different ball game. Jack, you like this one as well. You're smiling over there. This was, we were feeling inspired that evening because we shot it at night. And man, well, it just took a different turn. It is not.
Unboxing time. The iPhone 8. What do you have? You have a portrait mode on
Wow.
there. All right, the audience, they want to see it. The fans want to see it. You know what? You don't have to do it. You don't have to do this one. People don't really care about this phone. They're moving.
All right, you can cut that one, Will. You can cut that one. Look, that's another one to go check out. Those two are a bit different. The one that I like to reference if you're looking for a typical unboxing video is the DVLA speaker, because that thing legitimately blew me away. And then that moment was captured. I didn't know what to expect from that speaker. And then it just was bananas. And I actually made a video on the newer version of it as well. But this one's now at like 13 million views. If you haven't seen this video, you should go check it out. It's a very fancy, unusual Bluetooth speaker. And a lot of people reference this video to me. If they see me in public or something, they're like, man, what about that speaker? How good is it? Is it that good? And, well, the truth is it is. But if you haven't seen the video, you should definitely go check out that one as well. So there's a couple recommendations of my favorite videos, a few of my favorites that are on the Unbox Therapy channel.